Good morning, YouTube. Saturday morning, and you know what that means. It is time for a ride. So I want to take a moment and thank you guys that have been watching my motorcycle videos. I really appreciate it. They have the most views on my channel right now. And so I'm going to try and keep that going and more rides. So I went camping this weekend, and you can see it's pretty isolated, beautiful day. There's my camp trailer. There's my helmet. So we're going to take the CRF250F out. So those that have been following along know I've been doing upgrades kind of slowly, but the latest one is the Pro Circuit exhaust. So we're going to take it for a ride today and hope you guys enjoy what's in store. We're going to go to a old train tunnel and ride through it. And in case you haven't seen my other videos, just a couple other things I've done to this bike is the forks. They're not stock springs or dampening rods. I had a guy named Bruce Triplett out of North Carolina modify the dampening rods for me. And then he ordered some custom progressive springs. So also removed the spacers out of there. It rides much better than stock. It is set up for heavier riders such as myself. And then on the rear, down in there, if you can see that, it's not the stock shock. We went with a Hagen shock out of the UK, and also a custom spring on that as well. So the main upgrade for this video, of course, is the Pro Circuit. I really like the look of it on the bike. Sounds great. And then this coming week, I've got new handlebars, grips, bark busters. All that will go on. Going to order an EJK so we can richen it up a bit and send a little bit more fuel its way. So hopefully you guys will like this. Let's go ahead and get it started up. It takes a little while to break these things in. It's probably only got an hour on it, so still a little here so you guys can hear me, hopefully. So this is the old train tunnel up ahead, and we just refer to it as the Tintic Tunnel. I don't know what the official railroad or anything was, but I can only assume it may have been here for some of the mines. I don't know. There's no tracks left up here. If you get down to the main highway, you can see remnants of a bridge and a couple of pieces of iron from the tracks. But it's just kind of a fun place that all of us Jeepers and recreation, dirt bikes, racers, we all come up and visit and drive through. I thought it'd be cool to do it on the dirt bike. I've never been had my bike before. Alright, so we're 37 minutes into the ride right now. It actually feels a lot longer than that. I thought it took me longer. I got a little bit lost on the way here. But hope you guys enjoyed this ride up to the Tintic Tunnel. And pipe sounds really good in there. So really impressed with the Pro Circuit. I highly recommend it. I am going to get a fuel tuner so I can step up the fuel a little bit on it. It's my understanding that adding a pipe to a fuel-injected bike does absolutely nothing other than the sound. So it does sound really good. I hope the camera picked it up inside the tunnel as I went through, but I do like it. I think it looks good. It sounds great. And so I hope you enjoyed me on this little adventure. And please, again, I can't stress this enough. Really appreciate you guys watching my videos. My dirt bike videos get a lot of hits, and I'd really appreciate it if you have not. Please click the subscribe button, thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and click on that little bell that notifies you when I put out new videos. I do try to put out at least one video a week, and we're trying to get to 100 videos as quickly as possible. So again, thank you. Hope you enjoyed the video.